Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain PROCORE app review to save it what you're using. PROCORE is a powerful mobile app designed to help manage large and small construction projects all in one place. It lets you view plans, track progress, submit daily report, and communicate directly with your teams from the job site with tools like punch list, timeline, and the financial report. It makes sure everyone stays on the same page and nothing slips through the crack. But it's not perfect. Some users says the app can be a bit confusing at first and slow to navigate, especially when you are loading large plans or document on a weak connection. There can be a lot of notification and minus to learn, which may be overwhelmed smaller teams or casual users. So while Procore is a powerful tool for large, complex projects, it may be more than what you need for a small job or a crew. And that's it.